Playbooks are really popular. Typical challenges we hear about are it's hard to find the content, it's hard to keep it current. So Flipdeck gives you this really clean visual presentation of topics in your playbook that makes it really easy for the folks who need to consume the content to zero in on what they need and to use it. As far as updating, Flipdeck's got tools that allow you to achieve a single location that's always on. And that's really different from maybe a big PowerPoint or a PDF or something parked on a shared drive. It's just difficult and cumbersome to constantly be reissuing that document, letting people know what changed, where it didn't change. Flipdeck gives you ability to just micro target your content. It's always current, it's always on, and it makes for a great digital playbook.